Someone started building a couple of nests. Oh, who's on that one? That's the Eurasian coot on the end of the platform there. He's managed to get a nest before the breeze or I'll chase him off it. See, he looks like our squawk, but he's got that white bill. These guys are... what are they? They might be rails, actually. No, that doesn't sound right. Someone taking advantage of the infrastructure. Any salmon in there, Craig, or eels? This is a predator trap. Property of Wānaka. So the company that's taking us out on the boat, they've put a couple of predator traps to try and protect the grebes and the other birds around here. So very good thing. Disappointing that we'll have to bite block it there. This is a good thing that other people want to take a trap home and try and get their predators, but disappointing they've had to lock it down. Get him. Who's that little chick over there? Look behind the pillar on our right. See those blue and white floats are? There's a little chick just come through there. That looks like a coot chick. You see it's going to go across to that nest, I think, with some luck. Has it got quite a red, fluffy head? I think that's a chick from, it is, from the coot. Oh, he's been on a real mission without mum, isn't he? That was brave. You hear that ticking, sounding almost like an electric fence. Of the coot talking to his chick. Oh, here's a grebe! Look at those beautiful feathers coming out the side of its head there. Oh, I'm trying to give you space in a minute.
It's okay.
So wonderful ability to swim underwater because those fish are so far back on their bodies.
If I move up, is that going to bother you? Yeah.
Oh, sorry. Yep. I tell you what, not only has John Oliver put our birds on the map for everyone else, he's made my job easier too, because now people have heard of these things, they want to come and see them. Wānaka's done very well with their tree in the lake, and they've got this walk up on top of one of these hills that people like to do in the morning and watch the sunrise. So it's become quite the Instagram destination. And now you can come and see the grebes to your Instagram list of destinations. Oh look, there's some of the platforms they haven't put in, so you can see the painting on the side that the kids have done. Yeah. But these birds, actually, we had trouble in Queenstown. One of them was nesting on the back of the water taxi, and they're a native bird, so you can't move them in once they're settled in, and so they had to just keep sweeping the nest off until it got the idea this wasn't a good place to to build your raft. But they were nesting on the back of these boats and in the tyres around everything and generally making a bit of a nuisance. So in some ways John Darby's helped things, and in other ways he's probably made it worse by bringing more birds or helping more birds survive and breed in the area. Was this the same one that was out the other side? Did it swim all the way underneath?
No, it's a different one, I think.
A different one. I was hoping the other one might have come over to say hello, but it's just disappeared on us.
See the chick on that nest?
Is there one out there by itself?
Yeah, that's on the nest.
Yeah, Mum's gone away and
There's
there's just a chick there on the platform by itself.
Yep.
Is Mum feeding it? Looks like it. Almost feels like there's a bit of co-parenting going on with these two coots, doesn't it? The chicks maybe just swimming between the two, hanging out at whichever house they want, going for play dates. I don't think that'll be the case, but it's a nice idea.
Chick on that.
Are they the inner tube?
Yeah, so under the platform with 12, there's a chick with that bird, and I'm pretty sure there's a chick with this one still as well.
Over there. There's lots of platforms.
But yeah,
Can you tell me
with all the sticks and everything, I don't think you can see it at the moment. It might have tucked under Mum to stay warm. Yeah. And this other one I can't see anymore. Mum's just clucking away. So I'm pretty sure the grebe.
that is the bird? That,
Yeah, it's this one down here.
oh, it's her?
Yeah, it's the coot, not the grebe. The grebe kind of made a little growly purr.
Oh.
Whatever was bugging her, she's finally happy down there now. I don't think we're going to get much of a mating dance out of this one here. We're getting, oh no, waking up again. And if they start roosting, they'll kill it with their guano. So you can imagine Wānaka Council sitting there going, well, we want our tree, it's bringing lots of visitors, but we can't get rid of the native birds. What can we do? Oh, they really crane their necks forward when they're fighting and protecting themselves, chasing anyone off. I like that seal yesterday, got an itch. Was he growling at the mallard? Did he only just see it then?
Wondering that.
Yeah. And we got another one of those male chaffinch on the railing behind us. What do you call that? Blue and red bird on the railing behind us. The female's just up in the cabbage tree to the right of the bridge.
What's the
Australasian crested breed. Mind you, things are changing in the name so much at the moment. You don't know for sure anymore. Or you get things like the name of it, absolutely, yeah. It was in last night's one, yeah. But between things changing their names and between us commonly using old names, you can get a bit tricky, you know, like little blue penguins are now just little penguins. It's easier when they're a little blue, you know what you're talking about. And the Aussies call them fairy penguins anyway. Oh look, there's two over there together, coming up to each other. They were squaring up, but they seem to be coming. Maybe they're going house hunting now. Just watching, see one dunked his head. Is the other one going to copy it? No. Pūteketeke, as it sounds, P-U-T-E, Pūteketeke, T-U-K-E, P-U-T-E-K-E. Early in the season, you don't have to settle, you know. So this afternoon when we've got some free time, there's this beautiful boardwalk. They won architecture awards for the waterfront here somewhere, but anyway, town is just on the other side. So after lunch, if you wanted to walk out along this boardwalk and have a look and take some photographs of more grebes, that's definitely an option in amongst any other activities you want to get up to as well. They'll be nearly ready for us. Yeah.